In the next few minutes, you're going to have a working business phone number that you can call from, text from, and manage directly from your laptop or phone. No SIM card, no carrier complexities, and no extra hardware. And this video is here to help you pick the right type of number for your business, because choosing the wrong one can actually cost you customers. But first, let's understand what a virtual business number does. It gives you 3 things that your personal phone can't. First thing, it separates your work life from your personal life. Customers call your business number, not your SIM number. And when you're off hours, the business number goes to voicemail, while your personal life stays personal. Second, it gives you professional features like call routing, AI transcription and summary, call recording, team sharing, analytics, and more. None of it is easily accessible, and most of the time, available on your regular phone lines. And the third is, if you serve customers in other regions or countries, it immediately enables you to have a local presence without a physical office. If a customer in London sees a London number, they're already 3 to 4 times more likely to answer. Here's the part that matters more than people think. Local numbers are best if you serve multiple regions. A New York area code for NY customers, a London number for UK clients, and local numbers in 100+ countries. Familiar area codes build trust instantly. Toll-free numbers, your 800-888 numbers, are best for national branding and support lines. They signal professionalism, and the caller doesn't hesitate to make calls, as it doesn't cost them at all. And when it comes to mobile numbers, they're the standard format in many international markets. If you're getting a number in Germany or Australia, a mobile phone already feels more natural to local callers there. So, if you're just starting, get one local number in your primary market. You can always add more anytime later. Let us walk you through the process in KrispCall. Step 1. Create your account. Sign up at KrispCall with your email. Verify your identity. It takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Choose your country. You'll see 100+ countries. Pick where you want your number. Step 3. Choose the type: local, toll-free, or mobile. Specific types for a few locations are only available on request due to local regulations. Step 4. Browse the numbers you need, pick them, and purchase. Step 5. If one number is enough, the free US or Canada number is included within your subscription. Extra numbers are typically $3 to $10 a month. Step 6. Start using it. You can call, receive calls, text immediately, and give member access. No SIM cards, no long waitings. Here's the cost breakdown to get you started. The number itself, $0 to $10 per month. The platform subscription starts at $12 and upgrades at $32 per user. Per minute calling rates are a few cents for domestic and slightly vary for international. SMS generally ranges from 1 to 5 cents per message. No hardware costs, no installation, no contracts. That's it. Now, you have a professional business number that works from any device, anywhere. It's easier than ever to get started with KrispCall, and a free number is included. Link in the description. Subscribe for more business phone guides.